Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G62 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar right here. And this on the second position from the left, we've got this the clock icon, which is crossed out, and it is the icon connected with the timer. If you want to change, if you want to actually set the timer, you have to tap on it, just like that. You can set 3 or 10 seconds delay, or you can simply unroll the top bar, and as you can see right here, you've got the timer. So here we've got 3 different options, and as I said, we've got 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me, for example, pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, we have to tap on the option. Right now, it is highlighted in this bluish color. What's more, it is set right here that we've got the 10 seconds. So now, after getting back to the camera itself, you can see this small 10 inside the clock, and after tapping on the shutter button, your device will simply count down from 10 or 3, of course depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, you can turn off the timer just by getting back to this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your MOTOROLA Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.